To ensure unique identification number for everyone by March 2017, steps have been taken to provide Aadhaar cards for newborn babies. An Aadhaar card could be generated for a newborn once he or she is 21 days old and is given a name.
Newborns across the country will soon start getting Aadhaar as part of Modi government's efforts to provide the unique identification number to all residents by March 2017. After 21 days, when the baby is given a name, the Aadhaar card could be generated.
एक अभियान चला रहे हैं कि बच्चे जब जन्म ले तो उसी समय में हॉस्पिटल में उसके माता पिता वहाँ रहते ही हैं, तो वहीं पर उनके माता पिता के साथ उनके सहयोग से वहीं पर हॉस्पिटल में ही उनका आधार कार्ड बन जाए और आधार कार्ड भी बन जाए और साथ साथ जो है सो उनको एक बर्थ सर्टिफिकेट भी मिल जाए.
Under the world's largest biometric system, UIDAI, registrations of over 100 crore people have been done so far. A special campaign is being conducted by the UIDAI to enroll the rest over 20 crore people. Half of those left for Aadhaar enrollment are children below 5 years. Besides newborns, UIDAI is also conducting special campaign to enroll children below 5 years at places like Anganwadis and play schools. It is hoped that with this initiative, the goal of 100% Aadhaar registration can be achieved. To fulfill this task, planning is underway to give training to the employees of government and private hospitals with the cooperation of the state governments.
हॉस्पिटल का जो एक स्टाफ है, जो कर्मचारी है, उसको ही हम आधार ऑपरेटर का हम ट्रेनिंग दे करके उसको ही सर्टिफाई कर दें. बच्चे को कहीं जाने की जरूरत नहीं है, उनके माता पिता को कहीं जाने की जरूरत नहीं है, वो हॉस्पिटल में ही उनका बर्थ रजिस्ट्रेशन हो जाए. यही हम लोगों ने एक शुरुआत की है हरियाणा में.
Currently, the pilot project of enrolling newborns is underway in Haryana. 40% newborns have been enrolled so far with the help of this project and also given birth certificates. The aim of this initiative is to enroll those who cannot go themselves for the Aadhaar enrollment. Also, with this initiative, the newborn will automatically get the unique ID system so that in future, he or she can avail the benefits of Aadhaar. Sudhakar Das's report, DD News, Delhi.